Wait, some what?
Spiders.
I believe that the garden is a fantastic place for after school, and it really lets a bunch of the kids kind of relax after school and build a bond with their teacher.
See how this one, the roots are still good.
It's just kind of developed into a way of making sure the kids have fresh vegetables and they can try new things.
You gotta get a good camera shot, okay?
Feels really good. Like, it makes me really calm down after like a rough day.
We have free farmers market Fridays, and the middle schoolers hand out fresh fruits and vegetables to the kids and families that want to take them home.
Nice and gentle.
Because this garden not only offers food for our students, also offers them a chance to see how things grow. We have a butterfly garden, so they get to see butterflies and bees, and hopefully we'll have hummingbirds soon. And so hopefully this can grow more and we can continue to support kids in eating healthy and trying new things that they may not always have access to.
It really makes me feel inspired to do more of gardening and to really learn about it.
Ooh, my hand.